Ever felt like you're missing out on extra content because you can't find the YouTube description box? Let's fix that right now. On your computer, the description box is super easy to find. Just scroll down below the video title and you'll see a section right above the suggested videos. Usually, you'll see a brief preview of the description. To see the full description, simply click the Show More button. Clicking Show More reveals everything. Here you'll find timestamps to jump to different parts of the video, links to related content, and sometimes even special messages from the creator. Now, let's switch over to mobile. On your phone or tablet, look for the small arrow pointing downwards or the word More right underneath the video title. Tap that arrow or More, and bam, the description box expands, revealing all the goodies. This is where creators often put links to their social media, products, or anything else relevant to the video. Having trouble seeing the description? First, make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Sometimes, if a creator forgets to add a description, or there's a technical glitch, it might appear empty. You can also try refreshing the page or restarting your app if a link isn't working. Leave a comment to let the creator know. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to unlock the full potential of YouTube videos by accessing the often overlooked description box. Happy viewing.